gonna refuel a quad just like they do in the jets, the fighter jets. They refuel them.
They extend this rod out and the plane comes and attaches and essentially it refuels them midair.
With these 4 pads that I've installed on here, there is a 6S battery underneath the plane that is going to recharge the 6S battery on Magnet Drone when it lands on there. Taking off. Plane's up!
Okay, Bubby, whenever you're ready. Nice and slow, nice and easy. Nice and easy, let it. You're so close, you're so close.
So close.
Oh my God, this is. Yeah, that's good, Bubby, nice and just let it happen, let it happen. Oh, he's on the plane.
Oh, he was
on the plane, but he didn't get the magnets. He was on the plane, Bubby.
All right, Bubby.
Fly till it drops.
Oh, no, the drone is valuable too.
We've got only one of those.
Am I on it?
Hold it.
You're on it.
Oh, you're on. It's charging. Disarm. Disarm. It's going up to 22 volts.
Yes! Finally! He's on it! He's on it! We're doing it! We're doing it! The plane's on! The plane's on!